Google Pixel 9 series is still months away from its official release, but it has already caught the attention of tech enthusiasts. While the Galaxy S24 series has recently made a grand entrance into the market, the focus now shifts to the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series. Thanks to tipster Steve H. McFly, also known as OnLeaks, several CAD-based renders of the Pixel 9 Pro were recently unveiled on his X account, formerly known as Twitter, providing us with high-resolution glimpses of what's to come. The 5K renders, along with a 360-degree video shared exclusively by OnLeaks, give us a good look at the next Google flagship phone. In comparison to Pixel 9 Pro, the Pixel 9 will adopt a more compact form factor, mirroring the design elements of the Pixel 9 Pro. Notable in the renders is the inclusion of 3 rear cameras, with one featuring a periscope zoom lens, an upgrade that aligns the vanilla pixel range more closely with the Pro series. One striking change is the shift to flat sides, a design trend introduced by Apple and recently embraced by Samsung's S24 Ultra. The Pixel 8's curved frame gives way to a more iPhone-like flatness, signaling Google's alignment with this contemporary design choice. The Pixel 9, displayed in a vibrant blue color, is expected to offer additional color options. Examining the camera island, it departs from the Pixel 8's design by adopting an oval shape that doesn't spill into the frame. This change, along with the continuation of a metal construction, serves as a distinctive Pixel characteristic. On the front, the flat frame is visible, and the screen bezels appear symmetrical. The top middle area of the screen features a single hole-punch cutout for the selfie camera. As per the render's source, the Pixel 9's dimensions are expected to be 152.8 by 71.9 by 8.5 millimeters, with a camera bump increasing the thickness to 12 millimeters. While taller, wider, and slimmer than its predecessor, the Pixel 9 is likely to boast a 6.1-inch screen, potentially with a different aspect ratio. While specific details about the Pixel 9 remain unknown, it's anticipated to be officially unveiled in approximately 8 months. As is customary with Pixel releases, leaks and speculations are expected to flood the scene in the coming months. Stay tuned for further updates as we learn more about Google's upcoming flagship. Have you used Pixel phones? How was your experience? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.